GDS Automotive to go see Glen suckling. He's going to give my S15 a quick tune. We're also going to throw in my Link ECU that we've been waiting to put in for a while. It's been just running a Power FC. We're just basically giving it a bit of a quick prep before D1, the next round, which is at Green Lane. It's going to be pretty cool. So I've got the tune to do today, and on Friday I've got to do wheel alignment and just some other random prep. Yeah, it's not really much to do. The bumpers and bits and pieces are still broken from towering, but I can't get any replacements yet because of the whole COVID thing. So we've just patched everything up as best as we can, and it'll have to do. But yeah, see you at Glen's.
Done at Glen's. We're on our way back to the shop now. Gonna go get some lunch as soon as I get back because I'm starving. Things took a little bit longer than we expected, but hey, that happens. We changed the ECU and some wiring, so we were bound to run into some issues. There was just a couple of things that didn't power up when we turned everything on, so easily fixed. And yeah, didn't really get any more power out of it, which is not really what I was chasing. That's not really the point. It's 335 kilowatt. It's 5 kilowatt more than last time, but we got a little bit more bottom end out of it. It was kind of the reason why I went from the front mount to a V mount. The front mount was a huge 100mm intercooler. It was a good cooler, but I feel like I was losing a bit of bottom end out of it, so went for the V mount and changed the ECU. Really didn't do much else, but did a bit of exhaust stuff, and yeah, Glen was able to get a little bit more bottom end power out of it for me, so that's perfect, because I found myself a few times giving it a couple of clutch kicks just to get the power to come back on. So hopefully it feels a little bit better. We'll just got a wheel alignment booked in on Friday, so once the alignment's done, I'll give it a quick once over again, might change the oil, and yeah, span and check it, put it back on the trailer, and she's done. I'm probably not even going to take it off the trailer when I get home. I'll just leave it loaded up so I can go straight to the alignment Friday morning. So yeah, we'll pick this back up Friday morning. I'll probably be sitting in traffic. It won't be like this, it won't be a nice open country road, it'll be disgusting traffic. Yay. So see you Friday. Morning guys, we're picking up where we left off on Tuesday. It's now Friday. We're heading down to see my man Justin at TyrePro. He's going to do our wheel alignment, so go over a few things. I hit the wall at BayPark, so would have thrown a lot of stuff out, and I just kind of gave it an eye alignment to move it around. Yeah, traffic's not too bad this morning. I am like an hour early, but yeah, I mean, everything's flowing. I hate traffic. I never get stuck in it anymore, so yeah, it's not my favorite thing in the world. I don't think it's anyone's favorite thing in the world, but yeah, being that I just walk out of the house and across the car park to work, it's not something I miss. But yeah, so I realized I didn't actually film much at Glen's on Tuesday. He doesn't like being on camera, and I didn't really want to bug him, and we just end up talking junk anyway, so yeah, I kind of just sat the camera down and filmed a couple of runs and us fiddling around putting the sensors in. So yeah, it was just a little bit of footage from there, so I'll try and I'll get under the car with you guys and go over some stuff at TyrePro. But yeah, see you there. Map thinks we're lost. We're definitely not in some random countryside in Japan. Yeah, just moving some cars with Justin. Some of his guys decided to call in sick today, so I guess it's just me and him. Alright, we got it up on the hoist. Justin's on the phone. Justin's by himself today. His guys called in sick, so I'll help him where I can. Try not to get in his way. But yeah, we've got all the bits and pieces on. Pulled the guards off and the bumper because we're going to do an Ackerman sweep to check the Ackerman's right. Yeah, see how we get on. Alright, now she's up in the air. You can see underneath we've got TDP. This is what I broke at BayPark. Snapped one of these in half. Might even load up the picture so you can see it. It was pretty bad. Both the rims still got some dents in them, but I balanced them up and they're pretty sweet. So we're just going to check that we've got the Ackerman right, and then we're going to obviously set the camber and the toe, etc. In the back, apparently the back's out a little bit too because we hit the wall with this side. So it's probably knocked some of this out. But yeah, it's a beauty with adjustable arms. You can adjust it all out. So we'll get in there and adjust it and get it right. Alright, back's done. Back was quite a long way out on one side. That's just where I got hit. The front was pretty far out too, so we've pretty much got the front right. We're just going to sort the caster out, which has always been a problem. Whenever I've had the guards on, we couldn't get the caster right because the tyres hit the guards. So we're going to set it all up right, and then when I put all the guards and stuff back on, I'm just going to have to trim them and or just realign them when I fit them. So we're getting pretty close. Hopefully we get about 7 degrees of caster on both sides, and just got to sort out some toe bits and
pieces, but we're getting there. And obviously he's by himself, so he's still dealing with customers. Hey Justin, you having fun? Fun Friday?
Yeah. I'm going to sit very early.
I'm part-timer, so this job's just the front, and he said he'll pick it up now for me. Alright, we're all done here with Justin at TyrePro. The alignment was way out. We'd just done like a real quick alignment of the track, but like our caster was kind of all up the piss, and same with our camber on one side. The rear was probably worse than the front, which is funny, but yeah, there's still a bent arm in the back, so we've adjusted it out as much as we can, but I'll just have to replace it before the next round or after this round, whatever, if I'm going to do the next round. Yeah, so thanks to Justin. He's the man. He's here by himself today, so he's got a killer of a Friday, so I bet you can't wait to knock off. But yeah, if you ever need anything, come see Justin at TyrePro on Barry's Point Road. He'll sort you out. I might even throw his number and stuff. I'm pretty sure he's got a Facebook page. You can throw that in there too. Good dude. Just, yeah, he looks after Danum and stuff as well. He looks after a few of the guys. Yeah, so let's get this thing home. I don't really need to give it a spanner check. I pretty much just gave it one just now. So I think we'll just change the fluids and change up some tyres, and we're ready to go. Get all my gear, safety gear in the truck. That's really about it. And just maybe Thursday next week we'll start packing up the trailer and packing up the rims, and we're all ready to go. So it's nice to be ready, you know, a week ahead of time. Because this time next week we'll be drifting. Yeah, it's nothing really major to do. So other than that, take this thing home. I've got to pick up a customer on the way and pick up some parts. My day's not that cruisy, so we'll get back to work soon and try and get some work done. But yeah, hopefully next video we'll be loaded up, heading to the track, and we'll see you there. It's quite funny actually, just left Justin's, turned down a little side street, and I completely forgot, but there's my old school right there, old Rosmini College, Catholic all-boys school, and that's the field we used to have to run around for PE, and if we're in trouble or anything, it's a massive field, and yeah, definitely don't miss that place.